Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm not sure what day we're on now. We've just arrived.
It's day 3.
Day 3
of
port days.
Port days.
Where are we, Cath?
We're in Santa Cruz in Tenerife. Another Santa Cruz.
Yeah, you can see the ship in the background. The ship's over in the background. Somewhere over there. It's the right playground here, isn't it? Look, it's a playground. If you've got
It's a
kids.
beauty.
All rowing boats and stuff like that. Right, we're going up into
the town. The boarding time, not that we're going to do that, but we've got to be back on board for 10:30 tonight, but I can't see us staying out till that time.
I don't know, we might be, we might do.
I can't see.
Well, we're not going to stay out till that time, but we might go back into town later on. We're going to have a look up where the ship is, which is over there. Let's have a look. Where the ship is, over there. Oh, over there. I can't see because it's that sunny. I don't know why I'm pointing at the ship, because when you look on the properly, it'll look like you'll be able to see it. We're going to go up there in the town there, that part of town, see if there's any bars or anything. But in the meantime, we're going to have a little walk into the town. Which town is this then? It's another Santa Cruz, isn't it?
I've just said that. Santa Cruz in Tenerife.
You just said it?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day again today.
Yeah.
Gorgeous day. What did we do last night? Oh, all we did last night was we went for our meal, and then we were tired and we just came back, didn't we? Came back to the cabin. There's not much entertainment really.
Back to the cabin and early to bed. Oh no, I did some messing about with files.
Don't fall down there.
Deciding which files to throw away, which to keep for YouTube. Can't really make my mind up most of the time, can I? That's nice over there. I'm just going to get some pictures there, Cath. Look. Over there, yeah.
Is this off?
No, it's on. Stop recording.
Stop recording. Yeah. So we've decided to come up town.
Speak up a bit, can't you?
We're coming up town now, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm coming up town.
See what we've got here.
Have a look around. There's a few cafes about. Well, loads of cafes about.
Mick's trying to find some pubs.
I'm not trying to find pubs really. I'm just looking at buildings. Oh look. There's an old fellow with a dog. I don't know who it is, but it's a strange dog. Staring at us.
What is this strange? Isn't it?
Yeah. I'm holding it so you can speak into it. I don't know if you're going to bother.
I don't think I'm
You're going to bother?
No. Shame that umbrella's in the way.
Oh yeah. $9.39 and the temperature is, come on, what's the temperature? 28 degrees centigrade in the shade. Cath's gone in alley up. Here comes Doreen from Benidorm.
It's got to be done.
You got a what?
It's got to be done.
Yeah.
Alley up. Not
Alley
much.
up.
Alley
You
up.
have to show us. I don't know if, well, maybe I don't know. Maybe people might want to see what you got. What's your, oh, how many more diaries do you need?
Not for me, it's for Rebecca.
Oh, right.
And then some pens.
And pens, did you shoplift them or did you buy them?
I've got a receipt.
Oh, you don't have to show us your receipt, but can just have a quick look.
I've got a receipt.
I want to look at your receipt, I'm going to count everything. Right, we'll go grab a coffee, shall we?
Yes. No, I thought it's cute. I've got a pen. I've got to want a pen.
We've had a swerve off the main drag now. We're going to go down here. Back towards the harbour area. I'm using this Action 4 today. Cath don't like it here.
I don't mind it actually.
She don't mind it. It's alright for her because I've got it set
Keeps
to
everything straight and
I've got it set to level horizons. So if she tips it from side to side a little bit, it still stays level. So we're trying this, see how it picks up on sound. I've not put a microphone on. I'm telling you all this stuff, a lot of people are not interested in technical side, they just want to see pretty pictures.
exactly.
My mate Gidleesk, if he ever gets round to watching this video, he's going to be yawning.
Yeah.
Now cross over Cath, quick. Well, you could go on
Down
down.
there to do that monument thing.
Hey?
There's a monument thing in the arch. Here.
Was it what? Hang on a minute. Something smells nice, doesn't it? We'll go around. Want to go have a coffee?
Yeah.
And across here, Cath. cars are over there, aren't they? As you can see, we're having a sit down, just having a quick glug of water, and then we're going to go for we're going to walk back down towards the port and have a cup of coffee somewhere, and then we might tell you something about
There you go.
Madeira then, not Madeira. We might tell you something about where we are as we walk around. What do you say, Doreen?
Mick thinks I look like Doreen from Benidorm. I think
I
she's
don't
on
think
our
you
ship,
do, I know you do.
I do not look
You
like
think you are?
I think she's on our ship. I saw her yesterday in La Palma.
What do you call it? Elsie Kelly.
Elsie. I
Elsie
don't
Kelly,
know
that's
Elsie.
the
I haven't seen her
actress.
ship, mind.
If we see her, I'll ask if I can have an interview.
Yeah.
And if it's not her, but she looks like her, I'll ask her to pretend that she is, and we'll have an interview with her, whoever she is. We'll find out. So we're going to walk down back towards the port in a more. Is it? I think. Bit out of there lunchtime, going outside. Yeah, this one here. Right, should be down here, Cath. Next one along. Did we?
Yeah, we did. Because timber after there, and there's the thing there. That, yeah.
There's a McDonald's over there. No, Cath, we're not having McDonald's. I'm looking for 100 Montaditos, which was supposed to be down here. Have I looked at it wrong? Or is it short? You might be short, Cath. Might be short, hold that. It's here.
See?
100 Montaditos. Go in here, Cath. We gave 100 Montaditos a miss. Because it's a really tiny one. There were no tables outside. And there were no toilet either, by the looks of it, or there might have been one hidden away somewhere. So we gave that one a miss. And we're going down here now. So we're going down there. Cafe Teatro. There's loads around here. You can just go around anywhere you like. These are all, will all be nice, won't they?
Yeah.